Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Support Monday. We're so glad you're here. If you caught our quick Tech Support Wednesday video last week, you know we started talking about the really fun ways to spend your summer giving your old and dusty electronics a brand new summer job. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. I'm not a computer expert, I can barely get my current phone to work. But here's the secret. You don't need a computer degree for these projects. Today, we're going moving beyond the basics and going to show you how to take your devices you already own, like that old laptop in the drawer or that tablet sitting on the shelf, and turn them into something that's useful for the whole family. These projects aren't just about saving money, they're practical ways to organize your digital life and a great way to bond with your kids or grandkids. First things first, let's talk about that old laptop. Instead of letting it sit unused, we're going to turn it into a home media hub. This means one central spot where all of your family movies, home videos, and vacation photos live, so you can watch them at any screen in the house. Step 1 is the connection. While Wi-Fi is great, for smooth video, I recommend using an Ethernet cable. This is the cord that looks like a slightly larger old phone landline cord. Plug one end into the side of your laptop and the other end into your internet router. This ensures that your movies won't stutter or freeze. Next is the invisible setup. You don't want your laptop staying open on your TV stand. We're going to make it so that it works while the lid is closed. On your laptop, click on the start button, that little window icon in the bottom corner. Type power and click on choose a power plan. On the left side, click choose what closing the lid does. When you select, look for when I close the lid and change the setting to do nothing. Now you can tuck that laptop away in a cabinet and it will stay awake and ready to work. Step 3 is making folders shareable. This is the magic part. We want to make your video folder public for your own house. Right-click on the folder where you keep your videos. Click on the properties at the bottom of the list. Click Sharing tab at the top and click the Share button. In the little box that pops up, select everyone from the list and click Add and then click Share. Now, anyone else in your house using your Wi-Fi can see that folder on their own devices. It's that simple. Next up, let's look at those old tablets or smartphones gathering dust in your kitchen drawer. They might be a little too tired for today's heavy apps or fast-paced games, but they are absolutely perfect for a retirement promotion. We are going to give them a simple, single, incredible, cool job, turning them into their own smart home command center or dedicated jukebox for your workout space. Imagine the fun of walking into your garage or kitchen and having a screen that is permanently ready to blast your favorite morning playlist or dim the lights for a cozy movie night. No more hunting for your current phone under the couch cushions, and best of all, no random text messages or phone calls interrupting your focus. By setting it up on a simple, inexpensive kitchen stand or neat wall mount, you instantly give the room a high-tech luxury feel without any of the expensive hardware. Now that we've handled the big media server, let's talk about something much closer to the heart, creating your very own digital time capsule. Think of it like that old shoebox of memories tucked away in the attic, except this one is completely immune to fading, dust, or that relentless summer humidity. We're going to preserve this summer's best moments onto one of those simple, inexpensive USB drives. You know, those handy little plastic sticks you see right by the checkout counters in stores. The real joy here isn't just organizing files, it's the magic of capturing a feeling. It's about rounding up the family, picking out the photos that make you laugh the loudest, and intentionally sealing them away like messages in a bottle. But here's the absolute best part, my favorite secret tip to make this project unforgettable. Inside your capsule, right next to your favorite snapshots, make sure you type a quick, casual note named Summer 2026 Letter. Don't overthink it, just type out a few lines about who was in the photos, what songs that you couldn't stop singing that summer, and funny things that happened. Trust me, when you plug that little stick back into your screen 5 years from now, reading those exact words alongside those frozen moments is going to feel like pure magic. It completely transforms a simple technology project into a living, breathing treasure chest. We all have those projects and treasures we've poured our hearts into over the years. Maybe it's a handwritten family recipe book passed down through the generations, or a meticulously detailed family calendar, or one of those critical binders where you keep your house deeds and medical records and any other important information. In the physical world, an unexpected emergency like a heavy summer storm, a flood, or even just a spilled cup of coffee can mean those irreplaceable pages are gone forever. That's why creating a digital safety net using cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox is not just smart, it's incredibly rewarding. Instead of worrying about data cables or complicated tech stuff, think of this as your own personal fireproof digital vault in the sky. It is actually a wonderful afternoon project to gather all your favorite binders, find a bright spot of natural light near a window, and use your smartphone camera to bring up the physical memories into the digital age. By saving these files directly into Google Drive, you aren't just organizing paperwork, you're ensuring your family's most precious handwritten heritage is safely locked away for your kids and grandkids and generations to come. Once your documents are inside the secure cloud vault, you get to total peace of mind. Even if the computer decides to take an unexpected vacation or your phone breaks, you absolutely most important records remain completely safe, beautifully organized, and ready for your access from anywhere. That's a great question, Elena. Your laptop can definitely still multitask. Think of the Media Hub as just one of its many jobs. You can still use it for email or browsing the web while you're sharing movies in the background. However, if the laptop is very old, you might notice it gets a bit slow if you try to do too many things at once, including someone else watching a video. We hear you. Phone cameras are great, but they sometimes guess the colors wrong indoors. A quick trick is to use the built in document scanner feature. On iPhone, open your Notes app, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Document. On Android, open the Google Drive app, tap the plus icon, and select Scan. These tools automatically think of the gigabytes on your drive like the size of the photo album. A small 16 gigabyte drive is usually enough for about 4,000 to 5,000 high quality photos. If you have a lot of videos, those take up much more room. So you might want to go for a 64 gigabyte drive or larger. To check your current drive, plug it into your computer, right click on the drive icon, and select Properties to see how much free space is left. That's a very smart safety catch. For older devices, leaving them plugged in can permanently sometimes cause batteries to swell or lose its ability to hold a charge. And while it's an old device, you might not worry about its ability to hold a charge. To stay safe from battery swell, I recommend using a simple outlet timer, the kind that you use for Christmas lights. You can set it to charge for only 4 hours a day, which keeps the tablet powered on without stressing the battery. We covered a lot today, from turning old laptops into movie servers to scanning your family's most precious handwritten memories. The goal is always the same: making technology work for you, not stress you out. Technology is just a tool. Whether you're using it to preserve the past or build something new for the future, you have the power to master it one step at a time. Before we go, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite project today? Or maybe you have an old device in a drawer that you aren't sure what to do with. Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and we might feature your question in our next video. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more Tech Support Monday guides to keep things simple, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us reach more neighbors who might be struggling with their tech. And if you need more help, remember, if you're a small business or professional looking for a beautiful professional website without any of the technical headache, we've got your back at Map Systems. Our 123 Map system makes it easy as following a map. Visit us at 123mapwebsites.com to see how we can help you grow your online presence risk-free. You only pay when you're ready to launch. Thanks for watching. Stay tech savvy, and I'll see you on Wednesday.